The New York-based biopharmaceutical company, Turing Pharmaceuticals, was recently in the news when their founder and chief executive, Martin Shkreli, raised the price of Daraprim 5,000% from $13.50 to $750 per tablet, not too long after gaining the rights to the pill in August 2015. Daraprim is a medication used to treat compromised immune systems, including patients with HIV, cancer, and food-borne diseases. It is not uncommon for pharmaceutical businesses to raise prices of the medications they produce. However, Shkreli increased the price at an unprecedented rate. In 2013, brand name medications rose 13%, which had been a result of shortages, because of a change in the distributor, or for marketing, which is what Turing said the increase of Daraprim was going to be used for, in addition to research and educating people. Shkreli has a history of acquiring the rights to drugs and sharply increasing their prices, but seemed to have planned his strategy before even purchasing Daraprim. This time around, Shkreli solely focused on a profit end goal, without any consideration given to the fact that many patients would either be unable to receive the medication due to the cost, or their treatment could be delayed due to the fact that hospitals would not stock the drug because of the extreme high price. Patients not being able to receive this medication, or a delay in obtaining the drug, could be the difference between a person seeing or not, and whether or not a child grows up to live a happy life. Shkreli did not care to think about the ramifications that come from the significant increase in the price of the drug. As Polak stated from the New York Times, Shkreli's actions were unjustifiable for the medically vulnerable patient population. Turing Pharmaceuticals downplayed the importance of the medication within the health system as a whole, continuously lying to the public about where the profits were going. Since the arrest of Shkreli, Turing Pharmaceuticals developed a global code of business conduct, highly focusing on ethical standards and integrity within their organization. The company makes it a point to mention that they now focus on the patient and the employee's actions on a daily basis. Turing Pharmaceuticals also reports that they will earn the trust of their patients, customers, and healthcare professionals following the ethical scandal they have encountered in the last few months. They have begun to rebuild their business, strategically planning their next steps to be a successful company. Ethics in strategic planning is needed to strengthen a brand image, beginning with the senior executives following through with the code of conduct set forth within the company, before even dealing with the public. Even though a planned strategy may be legal, as it is with pharmaceutical companies increasing the price of their drugs, the company must ask themselves whether or not what they are doing is ethically and morally correct. Turing Pharmaceuticals did not do this. Instead of increasing their price 5,000% overnight, the company should have designed slow price increases within time. Had a good strategic plan been set in place with a gradual price increase of the drug, they may have been successful in their attempt to gain a high profit without the scandal they have today. Sadly, unethical organizations put profitability ahead of their ethical behavior without realizing the ramifications that come with it. A focus should always be on the character of the company and all those involved in the business, beginning with management having strong moral characters, as seen in the case of Turing Pharmaceuticals. It is costly and time-consuming to rehabilitate a company who has dealt with the ethical downfall. It will take time for Turing Pharmaceuticals to gain the trust back from everyone they deal with, and although it may seem unattainable at times, it can be done with the right management and focus.